Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up the e88 screen drone. I bought this on Temu.com. Use your own discretion where you get it, but that's where this one came from. Alright, let me show you what's inside the box. Get the drone with a battery in there, another battery, so two batteries, remote control of the screen, bag of goodies here, and your manual with the carrying case. So you have the user manual and then the instructions for the app. The app name is, let's see. Okay, so it looks like the app name is KYUFO. I'll find out for sure. Yes, KYUFO is the name of the app. I'm going to be getting it from Google Play. So when I'm doing the flight demonstration, I will get that downloaded. And this tells you about the drone, so be sure to go through that if you have any questions. Sure to fill you in on how to trim the drone and how to calibrate it and all of that. Okay, let's see what you get in the bag. Prop guards times 4. Well, actually 2 props total. A screwdriver. Oops. Charge cable for the remote. Charge cable for the battery. Plugs in right there on the battery, and down at the or at the top on the remote. Sorry, just like so. You get a memory card reader or an SD card, TF card reader. Just plugs into the bottom there, and you plug this into your computer or your phone if you have an adapter. And your remote takes the SD card right up top there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Push in. This actually comes with it. It is an 8 GB SD card, or TF card rather. Okay. Let me show you how to turn this drone on. Get the control and the drone paired. Pretty simple. Okay. First you're going to want to charge your batteries. Charge the remote. Okay. Then you just put your battery in just like so. Have the tab down. Press until you click. Your camera is just posable. You have to do it by hand. There's no control with the remote. So remember that, to pose it which direction you want it. Either down or facing forward. Okay, so you fold out your front arms first, then the back arms. Put the drone down facing away from you. Turn on the power. Let it do its flashing, and it'll slow down like that. Then you power on the remote just by hitting the power button. Long press it. It'll do its thing. Then it's auto paired. Nice and easy. So if you hit up on the throttle, it'll start the motors. Down will stop it. Up to start the motors. Down to stop it. If you were to go back up again, once you started the motors, that would take off. And then down to land. Okay, so we have left sideward flight, right sideward flight, forward flight, backward flight. We have throttle up, throttle down, left spin, right spin. Okay. And that's pretty much the basics on the controls. I'll leave it up to you to figure out the rest of it, but there are some other functions on here, like taking pictures and things. The buttons are on here, so just read your manual and you'll find all those buttons. Anyway, let me show you what it's seeing. Let me get something started on the computer. It's a real-time Wi-Fi signal it's getting from the drone. Alright. Okay, so now you can hook it up to your phone as well. And you have this holder down here. You just have to pull it out. It's going to be hard to get out of there. I need a screwdriver. Oh, there we go. But you can just pop your phone in there as well and have a bigger screen. Maybe a little better resolution. I'm not sure, we'll see. But anyway, let's take a little break and I'll show you a quick demonstration on how this flies. And then when we come back, I'll have the app in my phone and I'll show you how to do that. All right, see you shortly. Okay, hi, I'm back. Let me show you how to connect the phone to the drone. I tried connecting the phone and the remote and the drone all at the same time and that didn't seem to work. So you can connect the drone and the phone, but not the remote at the same time for some reason. So I'm going to set that to the side. So you want to go into your Wi-Fi. Once this powers up, find Flow UFO, select that. Wait for a notification. It's going to ask you if you want to stay connected because there's no internet access. Just say yes. Tap it. Select yes. Okay. Then exit out of there. Go to your KY UFO that you just downloaded for this drone. Okay. Let me find it. There it is. Okay. That's what it looks like. Select start. Okay, now you see what the drone is seeing. Looks like it's still flashing. I'm not sure. Okay, so usually if you hit the airplane, you can go into the controls in the phone, just like so. So now you're paired with the drone, just like so. You can see the controls on the phone there. You should just slide up and unlock the motors. Let's get this back a little bit. Just like that, and then down to stop them. And then all your controls are the same as the remote. And you have all of your other functions on here, like you can switch the camera to look down rather. That's the bottom camera. Slow it down a little bit. Oh, don't look bad. Not too bad for such a cheap drone. Under $40. Alright guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that helps you get up in the air and flying, or in the sky and flying. And thank you for watching. Hope to see you again next time here at Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Bye.